Okay, guys, you might be thinking, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? But what we're gonna do, if you are able to read, see this NES controller? I'm gonna take it apart. Yep. What you're gonna need is just screwdriver and controller. I got this at O'Reilly. They were giving out free one, so got it. Okay, so let's take this bad boy apart. I know I've already done how to take apart a NES game cartridge. And have something to take it apart. I like using little marker screws, double-sided marker screws. When these cap marker screw, what am I saying? Cap marker cap of those art skills cap probably, but they're really cool. Like you could just have it sitting there and just yeah. So there's 3 screws. I actually took my other one apart today, and I washed it off. And I got a little secret about this on a little thing that I never knew until I saw there was a little hole. And yeah, I'll just show you. Oh, come out. You could just ignore it. Okay, put that to the side. You really only need 2 hands, a body, booty controller, eyes, fingers. That's all you need. Well, mostly a body. And maybe someone to help you hold this down. Okay, it's coming apart. Screw. Two more. I thought there was only 1, but no, there is 2. I'm looking at you guys. So as I'm taking this apart, this is like, you could also clean some of the parts. Like I cleaned my A-B button. I didn't clean the select and start buttons because they're like rubber, not really meant to be washed. But I cleaned my NB button. My thumb is hurting. Okay, you can see it opening. Okay, it's done. I just got like a whiff of plastic. So you open it and you have this side all dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty dirty. So you get the circuit board and you see all these. Don't touch any like electronics, really. Just do that. Pops it out and just pop that wire under. And this is really easy to put back together. I only knew how to take it apart. Didn't know, and you could just set it right on the carpet. Like, I didn't know how to take it apart. Put it back together. So, you come with this and B button. B button is right here. A button right here. So you get these. You don't need those. And get this. You need that. Dirty. Need that. You pretty much need all of these. So get your A buttons. Just get them out. Then this is where I'm gonna blow your mind. See that? Get a small screwdriver. For now, I'm gonna be using I set everything on the ground. So see that hole? It shouldn't be there. So just push, and it's a sticker. Don't think I broke it. It's a sticker. Cheap sticker. Or glue, whatever. Doesn't matter. So if it slips, just get it back. Don't push hard. But it can damage it, like mine. You need this. Don't get rid of it. It'll stay sticky. Don't worry. And B button, there's square. So once you got that, you could clean these out. Let me go get some supplies. Actually, I'm going to cut this into 2 parts. So, peace.